There are three market factors to solve when you're a new business and trying to penetrate into a market. So if you're looking to open up a new business anytime in the near future, this you should pay attention to. When people open up a business, one of the things that they quickly realize is that market penetration is a key factor to success. They usually believe that their product or solution is so revolutionary that everybody's going to just come on in and knock down their doors. But it doesn't usually happen that way. So the three factors that you have to pay attention in order to get your business going are as follows. The first one is trust. The trust factor is so important, and trust is where the customer actually trusts that you are able to provide the service that you're claiming or the product that you are claiming the way that you are claiming it. Now, I have done actual videos on trust factors, so I'm not going to go into that. But suffice it to say that you should have internet presence. You should have reviews, testimonials, etc. All of those are trust assets, and the more you have, the better it is. The more likely that the customer is going to trust you, your service, and your products. The second factor is business leads generation. You should have access to generating as many leads as possible at the lowest cost and lowest effort. If you don't have enough leads, and if you cannot generate enough leads, then there is no business, obviously. So because leads is the lifeblood of any business. And when it comes to this topic, I've done quite a few videos on connection to the customer, so make sure that you look those up if you want some more details. But this is truly obviously important because without leads, like I said, there is no business. And then the third one is customer experience. So people are obviously going to be thinking, well, Duarte, what about price? Believe it or not, if the customer trusts you and you're giving a great customer experience, then you know what? You could actually be slightly higher than your competition and it's going to be fine. But if you're not getting enough leads, and therefore every customer, you're desperate for any customer that walks in, and if you're not giving them great service or a great product, and if you don't have enough trust assets, that's going to be an issue for you. So although most people say, well, price is important, yes, it is. But most important, because price is a part of customer experience, right? I mean, who doesn't love getting tremendous value for what they've purchased? That's part of the overall customer experience. So make sure that you're going to give good customer experiences, and where you're going to get, again, more trust assets like testimonials, etc. And that is going to propel you forwards and penetrate into that market, regardless of what market you get into. So keep these three elements and factors in your mind when you're opening up your business. Doesn't matter how small or what kind of business it is. These are they apply to every single type of business. It doesn't matter. So apply these and make sure that you succeed. If you like this kind of content, follow me. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.